Good morning, children. In today's module, we are going to study lesson number 8, that is area and volume. So before starting area, we will just study the perimeter. What is perimeter? Perimeter is made up of two words, peri and metron. Peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. That means perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. This word is very important. The figure should be closed. We cannot find out the perimeter of the open figure with the help of formula. Okay? So the perimeter is, we can say in another term, that the sum of the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure. Right? So now we will see how to find out the perimeter of these closed figure with the help of formula. Polygons like triangle, which is having 3 sides, square, 4 sides, and rectangle, 4 sides. Okay. So in this figure, triangle, it is having 3 sides, side A, B, and C. As we know, perimeter is sum of all the sides. So here I can write perimeter of triangle is side A plus side B plus side C. Right? So here the formula comes, sum of all its side is the perimeter of triangle. Or I can write sum of all 3 sides of a triangle is equal to its perimeter. Okay? Now come to square. Square has 4 sides and all the sides of square are equal. That is denoted as side. S stands for side. S, S, S and S, because all the 4 sides are equal of square. So if we will find out the perimeter of square, then what we will write? We will simply write S plus S plus S plus S. That are adding 4 times, so we can write it 4 multiplied by length of one side. That is the formula of perimeter of a square. Now we come to triangle. This is the length and this is the breadth of a rectangle. Okay. So length of the rectangle is equal to one another and breadth is also equal. So if we will find out the perimeter of a rectangle, then we will start from here. I will come to this side, then L plus B plus L plus B. Right? So I can write perimeter of a rectangle is equals to L plus B plus L plus B. Or I can write 2 multiplied by L plus 2 multiplied by B. Or simply 2 multiplied by L plus B. So this is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. Okay. So here we have find out the formulas for triangle, that is sum of all its 3 sides, square 4 multiplied by sides, and rectangle 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Right? Now we will find out along with an example. Suppose the length of this side is 2 centimeter, this is 3 centimeter, and this is 2 centimeter. Okay, so I will solve this question. Perimeter of this triangle will be equal to 2 plus 3 plus 2. Right? 2 plus 3 plus 2. That is 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7. So the answer is 7 centimeter. Just like that, I will find out the perimeter of this square. Suppose the side of this square is 2 centimeter. So this will also be 2 centimeter and this also be 2 centimeter. So I simply can find out the side by 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, or I can write it as 2 multiplied by 4, that is 8 centimeter. Okay, children? Now let's take an example in rectangle. Suppose the length is 2 centimeter and the breadth is 1 centimeter. So I will put this numbers in this formula, that is 2 multiplied by length is 2 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 is 3. So 3 2s are 6 centimeter is the answer. So this is all about the perimeter of polygons. Here you can see this rectangular paper, right children? So here in this rectangular paper, 4 centimeter is its length and 2 centimeter is its breadth, right? And this is the length. So if I will start from here, this is 4 centimeter plus 2, 6 centimeter plus 4, 6 plus 4, 10 and 10 plus 2, 12. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 12 centimeter. And if I will find out it with the help of formula, this will also come 12 centimeter. Now we come to the next topic, that is area. What is area? Area is the amount of surface a plain closed figure covers is called its area. What I said? Amount of surface a plain closed figure covers. Okay. So here this is the plain closed figure, that is a rectangle. That was the perimeter of this rectangle and this is the surface of the rectangle. So this is amount of surface which is covered by this rectangle will be called its area. So how to find the area of this rectangle? There it is length and this is the breadth. So if I multiply length by breadth, I will get the area of this rectangle, right? So here is the rectangle, this is the length and this is the breadth of this rectangle. Okay, so length multiplied by breadth will be the area. So this is the area of rectangle and this is the perimeter. Okay children, so the perimeter will be length plus length, breadth plus breadth. That is 2 multiplied by length plus breadth, and area will be length multiplied by breadth. Just like that, in case of square, the perimeter will be 4 multiplied by side and area will be side multiplied by side because all the sides in square are equal. So this is about the area of square and rectangle. Let's understand the difference between area and perimeter with the help of an example. Children, I have taken one example from your book, that is exercise number 8.2, question number C, part 3, given on page number 134. Here is a closed figure. Its area we have to find out. As you can see, it's an irregular shape. That's why we cannot put a particular formula for that. So, by drawing this line, I will make 2 regular figures. That is become a square and this is become a rectangle, right? This is a square and this is a rectangle, right? Now it becomes easier for us to find out its area. How? We will find out the area of first figure and area of second figure and then we will add them. So as it's a square, so we will find out area of figure 1. Figure 1 is a square. So the square's formula, area of square is side multiplied by side. And the side is 1 centimeter. So 1 multiplied by 1 is 1 centimeter square. Okay. Then area of second figure. This is a rectangle. So area of figure 2, that is rectangle, that will be length multiplied by breadth. So its length is 5 centimeter, breadth is 1 centimeter. So I will write here 5 multiplied by 1. So 5 ones are 5 centimeter square. Right? So now we will write area of total figure. That is area of figure 1 plus area of figure 2. So area of figure 1 is 1 centimeter and area of figure 2 is 5 centimeter. So 1 plus 5 will become 6 centimeter square. Understood children? So here in this question we have find out the area of first figure first because it's a square, so side multiply by side, that is 1 multiply by 1 will be 1 centimeter square. Area of second figure will be 5 multiply by 1, that is 5 centimeter square. So the total area of this figure will be 5 plus 1, that is 6 centimeter square. Yes, children, one thing more important, how this centimeter square comes, right? See, this is 5 centimeter. So length is in centimeter, breadth is in centimeter. We are multiplying both the quantities, so it will come 2 times. That's why we are writing over here centimeter square. Okay, children? So here, for this figure, I have found the area. Now for this same figure, I will find the perimeter. So for the perimeter, I will start from here. Okay? So as it is 1 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter. Okay? Because this is square, so this will also become 1 centimeter and this will also become 1 centimeter. Just like that, as this is 1 centimeter, it's a rectangle, so this will also become 1 centimeter. The total distance of this will be equal to this because it's a rectangle. So this whole length will be 5 centimeter. Out of this is 1 centimeter. So now remain 5 minus 1, 4 centimeter. Because it is in the middle. So this will remain now 2 centimeter. And this will also remain 2 centimeters. Now we can find out its perimeter. We will start from here. 1 plus 1. We will just write it. Perimeter of this figure will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 again and 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. I have started from here and now I have ended till here only. That is the perimeter as I told you. Again we will check once again. That is 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1. Now we will add it. 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11 plus 2 13 plus 1 14. So its perimeter is 14 centimeter. Right? So one thing more important over here. The formula of the perimeter is addition of all the sides. Right? And its unit will be in meter or centimeter or kilometer. And area is in centimeter square, kilometer square or meter square. So in the last, just I'll tell you about the units. The units of perimeter will be centimeter, meter or kilometer. And the units of area will be centimeter square. I can write it as a square centimeter. Meter square or square meter. And kilometer square or square kilometer. So that's all about area and perimeter. Thank you so much, children.